Hi everyone, this is Practice Formative, Chapter 3, question number 22. So the region bounded by the curve y equals to 8 over x and the x-axis and x equals to 2 and x equals to k is rotated through 360 about the x-axis as shown in the diagram. So in this case, the volume generated will be, we shall use the formula V equals to pi, but towards the x-axis, so the subject must be y squared. So the boundary will be x1 and x2, which we have that. And then we have to express the volume generated by the region in terms of k. Okay, let's generate that first. Pi, the x is from 2 to k, and then y squared, the y squared will be, we square the 8 over x. That will be 64 x to the power negative 2 dx. And now let's integrate that. 64 can be taken out because it will not affect our integration. So x to the power negative 2 will increase the power by 1 and divided by the new power, negative 1. And we're going to integrate from 2 to k. So 64 pi. Okay, we have negative 1 over x. All right, I write that properly first so that it's easier for me to substitute the boundaries in. So 64 pi, we have negative 1 over k minus negative 1 over 2. Okay, therefore we will have 64 pi, so half minus 1 over k. Let's make it a single term. So we will have 2k. All right, 64 pi, and then k minus 2 over 2k. So this one we can simplify, 32. All right, so 32 pi times k minus 2 over k. So this is the volume generated in terms of k. Now, if the value of k becomes extremely large, very, very huge, so we have to deduce the nearest value of volume. Now, when k is very, very large, that means it's almost infinity. We use infinity to represent a very huge value. So what will happen to our volume? So for that, it's easier for us to make a conclusion when we split the fraction into two terms. So k over, from the k minus 2 over k, we split it into k over k, which is 1 minus 2 over k. All right. So when our denominator is a very huge number, okay, this thing is almost near to 0. Okay, therefore, our volume will be 32 pi 1 minus 0. Therefore, 32 pi units cubed. Okay, so that is the nearest value of the volume. So let's just put this approximately. Okay, that's the answer for 22.